Well, after many delays and setbacks and lots of problems keeping me from doing what I want to do, I'm getting back to a alphabet box to the letter K. This is the font is the same as in the J. This is the elephant is the name of the font. I beefed it up a little bit in there because that was kind of small. I'm going to make that a little stronger. I'm going to try to make that 3 drawers. I'm not sure how that one's going to work out. We'll see as we go. Anyway, I've got me basically some 2x4s and 1x and a little bit of 1/4 inch on there. I got a piece of 1/8 inch oak right on top. So that's what the face of it's going to be. So let me get over to the saw. I'm going to put a number 12 super skip tooth blade in it and see if we can cut this and make it look like something. So let's get started. So after a long drawn out process here, I've had lots of problems since I started this video, not necessarily with this project, but other things around the house I've had to battle to get through to this. But anyway, I got it finished. All the drawers work nicely. This one was kind of a struggle to get it to work right, but I finally made it. I didn't paint this one. Some of the others I put some color on the front, but I had that 1/8 inch oak. I thought that looked good on there. And the rest of it's just kind of leftover construction lumber stuff. that I just piece together and put it through the planer and shape it up. And sometimes that doesn't work for me. Sometimes that stuff has hidden cavities in the wood and stuff, but this one had a little bit of that, but I came through, got it fixed up without it showing anywhere. So anyway, that's going to be this week's video. And not sure what the next video is going to be, but then of course the next letterbox is going to be an L. That might be the next video. I believe it'll be a little easier to do than this one. And then we'll start getting some more difficult ones, the M and N. But I just go through the fonts and I look at them and see what I can do with them. This one I beefed it up right here because it was just a tiny little connection there. I thought it might need a little more strength. This, like I said, this was called the Elephant font, and that's what I've used for this one and the J. So if you like that, hit the like button. And if you're interested in seeing the rest of these as I finish them through the next few weeks, hit the subscribe button so you know when they come out and see what I come up with on the next letters. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.